Hi guys, welcome to IWM Buzz India Web Fest Season 6 and today we have Alka ma'am. So firstly ma'am, thank you for coming here.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be here.
How much you are excited for your session?
No, I'm very excited. We are going to be talking about stories that one tells for the audience, which typically belongs to the Hindi speaking market, tier 2, tier 3, and that is very relevant for the kind of content we are making today. So yeah, very excited. Yeah.
As you said about content, how you see the growth of Indian content, basic on Indian content on a OTT platform?
By Indian content, do you mean the Desi content or do you mean the urban content?
Basic.
The Desi content, I think, so most of, I think 80% of the content we are making right now is really being curated or structured to cater to the masses. What are the masses? Masses are typically your tier 2, tier 3 audiences belonging to, let's say, your the Hindi speaking market or your smaller places. And smaller is the wrong word to use, but really speaking, your small towns. So that is a very, I mean, mass content is that. It's something that appeals to somebody who is, of course, in a big city as well, but primarily to people who come from smaller towns. So that is something that is here to stay, here to grow. That is literally for the next 5 years. This is something that is going to grow and then some more.
How you see the change on a OTT platform post lockdown?
Post lockdown, I think OTT has just exploded. Post lockdown, I think pre lockdown also obviously one. So I think OTTs per se 2017, 2018 is when one started seeing this. All of us got introduced to the concept of web series. The first 2 3 years, a lot of interesting things were happening. But I think COVID, when everybody was just sitting at home, is when people realized that hey, there is so much good content available on the phone. B, as makers, suddenly everybody realized that hey, if you want to reach out to a larger audience, you don't necessarily have to go to a theater,
True.
or you don't necessarily have to depend on the mechanisms that lead you to, let's say, a TV release. Your phone became such a powerful medium. All you needed was a phone and an internet connection, and web by extension, because most of it is phone viewing. I think, yeah, there's just been this explosion of content post COVID. Everybody, I mean, there is everything. There is content for everybody, irrespective of where you come from, what your tastes are. So yeah, it's a great time to be in the content creation business, particularly in the web space.
So one message for the audience you want to give to the youngsters now.
The viewers or the makers?
The viewers.
The viewers, यार content देखते रहो, बहुत सारा content देखते रहो. Please keep enjoying the stuff that we make, and it's great. Please keep giving feedback so that we know that we are doing our job right.
Yeah. Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.